This is the easiest bun you will ever have to do. It's very simple. You're going to use some bobby pins, a donut which will match your hair color, and some elastic bands. We also need a little rubber band. My lovely assistant here offered her gorgeous hair to model for me while I recreate my favorite bun look for you. It looks very polished and professional. It's very easy. I get it done in under 30 seconds and it's perfect. You don't need anything else. It stays on all day long if you put the right pins in. It just looks very sharp, clean, and professional. It's a nice look when you have a bad hair day perhaps and you don't want to just do a simple ponytail. I wear this to work at least 2-3 times a week and it's my favorite hairstyle by far. It's important to get a bun that matches your hair color in case you see a little bit from underneath. It's a much more elevated look when you need something quickly and out of your face, mess-free, and to last all day long. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching how to style your hair in the donut-shaped bun. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every week. I will see you soon. Bye!